Here's an up-close look at this GLACIER Fresh. This is the GF MWF filter, so make sure that this is the one that replaces your filter. So this one is the ice and water refrigerator filter, and you need to replace it every 6 months. I usually buy like a 3-pack, so I only gotta buy them every year and a half. I did sign up for this, where you can get a filter update reminder. So it makes it super easy because I always forget to replace my water filter, so this definitely helps. All you do is put it in and you can see the 2 grooves on the sides. You push it in, twist it, done. So these are super simple to use, and I have never been disappointed in any of these filters. They're really well made, they're solid, and yeah, everything is great. I do run a couple of gallons of water through before we drink it, just because that's what I've always done. I'm not sure if it even says in the directions. I have not looked in a while, but yeah, that's what I tend to do, is run some water through it. These ones have the capacity of 200 gallons at 0.5 to 8 gallons per minute, so about half a gallon a minute. And there's the working pressure on there, 30 psi to 100 psi, and your temperature should be between 33 and 100 degrees. So yeah, they're great filters, nice, solid quality.